In this video, we'll discuss some of the most common ways to set or change your home address on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Way 1. How to change home address in iPhone autofill. Apps often automatically detect and enter your changed address when filling out a form, so you can change your home address via iPhone autofill. Way 2. How to change home address on iPhone by editing Apple ID address. How to change your home address on iPhone when you move to a new region or country. A very simple way is by modifying your Apple ID address. Way 3. How to change home on Apple Maps iPhone. If you are using native Apple Maps as the default map application on iPhone, then you need to update home address on iPhone in the contacts card saved on iPhone. Way 4. How to change home address on Google Maps iPhone. Although Apple Maps is the native navigation application on the iPhone, many people still choose to use Google Maps on the iPhone. Google Maps is a well-known feature that works on Android and iPhone. Way 5. How to change home address on iPhone using Virtual Location Tool. If you want to protect your privacy from being tracked, Virtual Location Tool is the best software that can help you change your address without jailbreaking.